Hi guys, how's it going? And in this video, I'm not going to be performing any trick because Cardtrix is here to show you guys an awesome magic trick and all the details related to this magic trick and everything. He's going to explain that to you. So without further ado, I'm going to let Cardtrix take over this video. And also make sure to subscribe to him because he's just awesome. Let's go.
Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Cardtrix, and I would like to thank Deceptive101 for having me on this channel for the second time. I was here on this channel a little bit over a year ago. You guys may or may not remember me, but today I am back and better than ever. What I bring to you guys today is a really amazing card trick known as Dai Vernon's Triumph, and I highly recommend that each and every one of you take the time to learn this effect. So, here's how this video is going to work. I'm going to be giving you guys a performance of the effect, and I will possibly be doing a tutorial over on my channel. More details on that after the performance, so make sure you stay tuned. Now, one last thing before we get into this is make sure you are subscribed to Deceptive101 if you aren't already. And if you're not, well, what are you waiting for? Because Deceptive101 produces some amazing content. So again, make sure you are subscribed to him. He deserves it. Also, if you are not subscribed to me, please head over to my channel and subscribe to me as well. You guys will not regret it. I post card trick content weekly. I almost never miss an upload, and I don't think you guys will be disappointed. So make sure you are subscribed to Deceptive101, and of course, please come check me out and subscribe to me. It would really, really mean a lot. Link to my channel will be in the description below. But anyways, let's finally take a look at this trick. Okay guys, so that was Dai Vernon's Triumph, and I really hope you guys enjoyed my performance. Now, I know you guys really want to know how you can do this trick for yourself. So, here's exactly how we're going to do this. I will post a tutorial over on my channel for the trick that you just saw. If you guys can get me to 215 subscribers, and the best part is, that's extremely easy to do, because right now, I'm currently at 208 subscribers. So, we're not that far off. So the moment I hit 215 subscribers, I will post a tutorial for this trick over on my channel. So don't just sit here. What are you waiting for? Head over to my channel right now. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the videos I make over on my channel. But yep, I will see you guys next time, and I will let Deceptive101 go ahead and cue his outro.
So that was the magic trick, guys, and I absolutely loved it. And if you want to learn how to do this, then please get into 250 subscribers as soon as you can, because this trick is just amazing. And that's it. That's the video. Please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also go ahead and subscribe to Cardtrix, link down below. And I will see you guys on my next video. It's gonna be really cool, so stay tuned.